What's up, everybody? It's Max with AlphaBeat. I just started my own hedge fund after helping build a research platform that was acquired by CNBC, and today I'm taking you to a conference about the space economy. Let's go. Now, don't get me wrong, I love technology companies, but I have been very skeptical of the space economy lately because a lot of these high-growth businesses like Rocket Labs, Planet Labs are letting cash on fire in order to hit their revenue targets. That's ultimately a pretty risky strategy because it's so early that no one really knows where the profit pools are going to lie. That said, I think everyone needs to be paying attention to the space economy today because SpaceX is going to be IPOing in the coming months. They're looking to raise $75 billion at a nearly $2 trillion valuation. That is going to have massive impacts on the broader stock market because investors who want to get into the SpaceX IPO are going to have to rebalance their portfolios in order to get an allocation. Before we get into the conference, just a quick reminder for everyone spending their summer in the city, don't walk. So this conference was really awesome. It was hosted by Chenel Capital Partners, who's raising a venture capital fund to pursue investments within the space industry. Now, they started off the conference by talking about the various themes that are investable within the industry. And personally, what I thought was the most compelling was the in-orbit services. I believe that over the next 5 to 10 years, that's going to be the most lucrative profit pool because over the past 5 years, there were thousands of satellites that were launched into space, but those satellites are eventually going to have to become deorbited by regulation once their useful lives end. And someone needs to help them transport the satellite into the graveyard orbit layer in the case of the heavy geostationary satellites, or someone has to help them recover the debris once the satellite crashes back down to Earth in the case of low Earth orbit satellites. Another interesting topic that was discussed was the amount of new tech talent that's going to be flowing into these space startups. And the reason for that is because once the SpaceX IPO lockups end, a lot of people are going to be liquidating and they're going to want to go start their own projects. Overall, this was an awesome experience. See you guys again.